Players in Zimbabwe's tourism sector say the industry is recovering well for the first time since the COVID-19 pandemic started almost 2 years ago. Zimbabwe has been under consecutive hard lockdowns since March 2020. eNCA correspondent Pindai Dube reports.
The COVID-19 hard lockdowns meant resorts and hotels had to be closed. Although Zimbabwe is still under lockdown, most public places have been allowed to reopen for vaccinated people. Tourism sector groups are delighted and say there has already been momentum.
Indeed, it has improved quite a lot, significantly, where we now have, as you probably know, most hotels are owned by certain groups. And these groups would have a combination of city establishment, country establishments, as well as resort establishments. So the resort establishment, as much as they are struggling to break even, they will be complemented and supported by the country and city hotels that are doing above normal average break even. If we keep the current momentum, we will be able to save the jobs.
But public health activists say the only solution to a full recovery of Zimbabwe's tourism industry is the mass vaccination of citizens.
The only way Zimbabwe can avoid another lockdown, is when we as a country are able to reach the required herd immunity of vaccinating at least 60% of the population or more. What we are seeing in Victoria Falls, I think, is very encouraging, because Victoria Falls was the first, city to reach the local herd immunity.
Just over 3 million Zimbabweans have received their first jab, while more than 2,600,000 have received both doses of mainly the Chinese Sinovac and Sinopharm vaccines. Pindai Dube, Harare.